Hi everyone, today our topic about tangents and secants to a circle. In previous section, we learn about tangents and secants to a circle. One more time recall. This is a circle with the center O. Now this is a OA is a radius. Then BC is a diameter. D is a chord. A chord which passing through the diameter is called a chord which passing through the center is called diameter. The distance center to on a circle is called radius. The exact middle point is called center. Which line touches to circle, that is touches to circle, that is called a tangent. Which line passing through the circle is called a secant. The relation between a tangent and a radius is 90 degrees. Okay. Now exercise 9.1, first section, fill in the blanks. First one, a tangent to a circle intersects it in dash points. Tangent intersect at a circle in how many points? Only 1 point. Second one, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called. Which line intersecting to a circle at 2 distinct points, that is called secant of the circle. The number of tangents drawn at the end point of the diameter. This is a diameter BC. Here one tangent, here one tangent. So a pair of tangents we can draw the endpoints of diameter. Means 2 tangents we can draw. Next, fourth one, we can draw dash tangents to a given circle. For one circle, how many tangents we can draw? We can draw so many tangents. Infinite tangents we can draw. Next, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Which intersect a tangent and a circle, that is called a point of contact. Now second one, a tangent PQ. PQ is a tangent at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. The distance OP center to a point on a circle, this is called a radius. OP is 5 cm. Meets a line through the center O. Here 2 lines are intersecting. 2 lines are touching at point O. Q, so that OQ 13 cm. The distance between a point Q to O is 13 cm. Find the length of PQ. This is the problem. First find the facts what given in the problem. 5 cm, 13 cm, PQ, 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 O. You try to understand what all of this. First clearly given that a tangent PQ. So PQ is a tangent at a point P. This point on a circle of radius 5 cm. Radius 5 cm. Then what is the question? OQ 13 cm. The distance between exterior point Q to O is 13 cm. Find the length of Q. This is important. Asked us to find the length of PQ. Now in the problem itself given, center is O, radius OP is 5 cm, OQ 13 cm. Then you draw a rough diagram to do the problem without mistakes. Clearly we can observe here, POQ is a right angle triangle. Angle QPO means at point P there is a right angle. Then where a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. OQ square is equal to PQ square plus PO square. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So OQ square is equal to QP square plus OP square. Now we needed to find the value of PQ. So write PQ as a subject. Send this right hand side PQ to left hand side. Okay. PQ square is equal to, already there is OQ square minus this PO square also. Send that side minus PO square. The value of OQ square is 13. 13 square minus PO value is 5 square. 13 13s are 169, 5 5s are 25. The difference of 169 minus 25 is 144. Now PQ square is equal to 144. PQ equal to square root of 144. To finding the square root of 144 by division method, we got the answer 12. So PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Then finally length of the tangent PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Next, third one. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. First I draw a circle. The exterior of the circle, draw a line L. For this line, draw a parallel line to intersecting the circle at two different points. Then that is a secant. A line parallel to secant. Then again draw one more line to touch a circle at one point. That is called a tangent. This line N is tangent. This line M is secant. This is L line. Then finally L is parallel to M. L is parallel to N. Then automatically M also parallel to N. Now fourth problem. Calculate the length of tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 9 centimeter. This is this problem in mathematical language. Whatever be problem, first find the numbers and condition. Finally question. 15 9. What are the condition given? Length of tangent, away, center. What is the question? Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeter. Calculate. That is the question. Okay. Using these tricks we can solve the problem. And first of all you draw a rough diagram compulsory. Then easily we can solve the problem. Calculate the length of a tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Radius 9 centimeter. Away point P from center O is PO 15 centimeter. Radius 9 centimeter. Then calculate the length of tangent. Asked us to find the length of tangent PQ. This one also a right angle triangle, perpendicular side, hypotenuse, base side. Clearly I written here. Then finally using of Pythagoras theorem, PO square equal to PQ square plus OQ square. Which value we don't know, that value write as a subject. PQ value we don't know, so must be you write as a subject. If you write PO square is equal to PQ square plus OQ square, or if you write PQ square plus OQ square is equal to PO square, left hand side, right hand side, right hand side, left hand side, all values are same. Okay. Now PQ square is equal to PO square minus OQ square. PO value is 15 centimeter. OQ value is 9 centimeter. 15 square minus 9 square. 15 15s are 225. 9 9s are 81. The difference of these two number 144. PQ square is equal to 144. PQ is equal to square root of 144. PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Then the length of the tangent PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Fourth one. Okay, next, fifth one. Prove that the tangents to a circle at the end points of a diameter are parallel. Diameter end points, using end points which tangent can build that two tangents are parallel to each other, asked us to prove. Given L and M are two tangents. L and M are two tangents. Okay, to the circle at the end points of a diameter. Here PQ is diameter, OQ radius, OP also radius, PQ diameter. L1 line, this line is tangent to the circle. M also a line, this line also tangent to the circle. Asked us to prove this L and M are parallel to each other. Required to prove L is parallel to M. Proof: a tangent is perpendicular to the radius. We all of you know that always a tangent to a circle, that tangent and radius, their relation is 90 degrees, right angle. So OP perpendicular to L, OQ perpendicular to M. In this way, PQ perpendicular to L, PQ perpendicular to M. Then finally, this line and this line is perpendicular to PQ. With this all, we can confirm that L is parallel to M. Okay, thank you so much.